Progressive English Learning.
Wow, Sarah, this place looks nice.
Yes, Ali. I am so curious about it.
Do you smell that good food smell?
Oh, yes. It makes me hungry already.
Where do we go first in here?
Maybe look for the host stand?
Okay, let's walk in and see.
There are so many tables around.
Wow, people look happy eating here.
I hope we find a good spot soon.
What kind of food do they have?
Let's ask someone, okay?
Yes, this adventure feels fun now.
Oh, I see a waiter over there.
Great! We can talk to him next.
Perfect. I am ready to start.
Excuse me, sir. We need a table, please.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. We are 2 people today.
Yes, I see a nice table for you.
Is it near the window, maybe?
No, but it is cozy and quiet.
That sounds good. Thank you so much.
We will follow you right now.
Great. Come this way, please.
How busy is it tonight?
Not too busy. You will like it.
Perfect. We do not want to wait long.
You are very kind to help us.
Here is your table. Sit down.
Thank you. This looks comfortable.
We appreciate your quick help.
Here are your menus. Take a look.
Thank you. We are excited to choose.
Yes, everything smells so delicious here.
Our specials today are pasta and steak.
Oh, that pasta sounds really good.
Do you recommend anything else?
The chicken salad is fresh and light.
We might try that too.
Great tips. You know the best dishes.
Yes, I taste them all the time.
How long for food to come tonight?
Not long. About 15 minutes.
Okay, that is perfect for us.
You make us feel welcome here.
Enjoy. Call me when you are ready.
We will. Thank you, friend.
This chair feels so nice, Sarah.
Yes, Ali. I am comfy right here.
Look at these big menus we have.
Perfect spot to read them slowly.
Now we can take our time.
The light here is soft and warm.
I like how quiet it is, too.
No rush, just good vibes around.
My back thanks this good chair.
Mine too. Feels like home almost.
Ready to check out the food list?
Yes, let's see what looks tasty.
Oh, many options make me hungry.
Take it easy. We sit nice here.
True. This table is just perfect.
Loving this comfortable start tonight.
Sara, So many dishes here. Wow.
Yes, Ali, I feel confused too.
What is this risotto thing anyway?
Not sure. Sounds Italian, maybe.
Too many choices. Hard to pick.
Oh, look at all these sauces listed.
Which one goes with the chicken?
Good question. The menu does not say.
Pasta or burger? Now I wonder.
Me too. Everything looks so good.
Maybe we need help from waiter.
Yes, this menu makes my head spin.
So many words I do not know.
Let's read the descriptions again.
Still confused. Need simple advice.
Okay, we will ask him soon.
Excuse me, waiter. Can you help us?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
We'd like to know about the pasta.
It has cream sauce and fresh herbs.
Oh, that sounds tasty and creamy.
What about the chicken dish here?
Grilled chicken with vegetables side.
Nice. Is it spicy or mild taste?
Mild. Perfect for most people.
Interested. Any vegetarian options good?
Yes, veggie stir-fry is very popular.
Does it come with rice or noodles?
With rice, and it is flavorful.
Great. You explain it so well.
One more. What is special today?
Fish with lemon, fresh from market.
Ali, the pasta sounds good now.
Yes, but chicken also tempts me.
Which one makes you more hungry?
Let me think. Pasta, creamy. Wow.
Veggie stir-fry for me, maybe.
Or share 2 dishes together?
Good idea. We can taste both.
Yes. Pasta and chicken sound perfect.
Add salad too for fresh taste?
Yes. Light start is nice.
Okay, I think we choose now.
Great thinking. This feels right.
Pasta, chicken, and small salad.
Yes. Our choices make me smile.
Ready to tell the waiter soon.
Perfect. We picked smart dishes. Waiter, we are ready to order now.
Wonderful. What can I get for you?
1 creamy pasta, please, for me.
Got it. Creamy pasta coming up.
And grilled chicken with vegetables.
Grilled chicken. Yes, with sides.
Also, a small fresh salad, please.
Salad added. Good healthy choice.
Make sure chicken is not too spicy.
It is mild, just as you like.
Pasta with extra cheese, okay?
Yes, extra cheese, no problem.
That is all for main dishes now.
Order placed. Food soon ready.
Thank you. You heard us perfect.
We look forward to eating it. Hey, Sarah. What drink do you want?
Maybe iced tea sounds refreshing.
Good. I think water with lemon.
Waiter, can we add drinks, please?
Sure. What would you like to drink?
1 iced tea and lemon water.
Iced tea for lady? Water for you?
Yes, and make iced tea not too sweet.
Light sweet. Coming right up.
Do you have fresh fruit juice?
Yes. Orange or apple. Fresh squeezed.
Oh, orange juice sounds nice too.
Stick with iced tea for now, okay?
Yes. Simple drinks fit our meal.
Drinks first, then food follows.
Thanks. We relax while we wait.
Ollie, our drinks came quick. Nice.
Yes. This iced tea tastes so good.
Food will come soon. No rush.
I watch people eat around us.
That couple looks happy with their meal.
Makes me more excited for ours.
We chose well. Just be patient.
Okay. Tell me about your day.
Work was busy, but now I rest.
Good. This wait feels nice, actually.
Yes, soft music helps us chill.
Not long now. Smell food cooking.
Oh, yes, kitchen smells reach us.
Patient waiting builds good appetite.
True, we enjoy this time together.
Almost time. I see waiter coming.
Here is your food, hot and ready.
Wow, Sarah, look at this beautiful pasta.
Oh, yes, my chicken looks perfect.
Enjoy your meal. Needs anything?
No, thank you. It smells amazing.
Yes, salad is so fresh and green.
Great. I check back in a bit.
This moment makes me so glad.
Me too. Food arrived just right.
Pasta cheese looks extra gooey.
Chicken grill marks look tasty now.
Ready to dig in with you.
Yes, happy eating starts tonight.
Wow, presentation is top notch.
Perfect service. We feel special.
Bon appetit. Enjoy every bite.
This pasta tastes creamy heaven.
Oh, yes, chicken is juicy and good.
First bite, always best moment.
True, salad adds fresh crunch too.
Wow, flavors mix so well together.
I love this grilled taste now.
Yours looks better than mine almost.
No, try my chicken if you want.
Okay, one small taste. Delicious.
See? Sharing makes it more fun.
Pasta sauce clings perfect to noodles.
Veggies are crisp, not overcooked.
Best meal we had in a long time.
Yes, every bite satisfies me.
Half gone already. Eat slow, okay?
Agreed. Savor this good food moment.
Sarah, need more water, maybe?
Yes, and napkin for my hands.
Excuse me. Waiter. One more thing.
Yes, how is everything going?
Food is great. Just need water.
More water coming right away.
Can we have extra napkins, please?
Sure, napkins for both of you.
Thank you. You help so nicely.
Also, bread basket, if you have.
Fresh bread, I bring it now.
Perfect. To clean our plates good.
Your service makes meal better.
Glad to hear. Here is water.
Napkins, too. Just what we need.
Thanks again. All set now.
Ali, I think we finish eating now.
Yes, that was satisfying meal.
Time to ask for the bill, please.
Waiter, can we have the bill?
Sure. Was everything to your taste?
Yes, perfect food and service.
Bill, when you have a moment.
Here it is. Take your time.
Thank you. We check it quickly.
Looks right. Good prices, too.
Ready to pay and head out.
Cash or card? How you prefer.
Card, please. Easy for us.
Thank you. Come back soon.
No rush. We enjoyed every minute.
We will. This night was nice. Here is my card for the bill.
Swiping it now. All set.
Thank you for wonderful evening.
Receipt for you. Have a good night.
Service was top. We loved it.
Food tasted fresh and delicious.
We tip well for this experience.
Much appreciated. Thank you kindly.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Yes. This place is our favorite now.
Door is that way. Safe travels.
One last thank you from us.
Ready to leave, feeling full.
Best night out. So grateful.
Walk out happy and satisfied.
Perfect end to great dinner.